We've always loved exploring the outdoors. From state parks to national treasures, our adventures have taken us far and wide. Now, we're on a mission to return to the RV lifestyle, to once again open the door in the morning and find ourselves already in nature, ready for the next hike. Today, we are stepping inside the heart of a leading RV manufacturer. Here, raw steel, aluminum, and craftsmanship will converge to create homes on wheels. And somewhere along this tour, the RV that will carry us into our next chapter is being built.
We've been without a camper for over a year now, and so we're not much for looking in the rearview mirror, but we'd love to introduce you to our new friend, Tim.
Hey guys, this is Tim with Flagstaff by Forest River. I just wanted to say we're excited to be announcing our partnership with Matt and Kay with Happy Trails Hiking. Can't wait to meet them this week, where we're going to get to hand them over their brand new...
Big things are coming. Matt, are you excited?
Well, I'm not very excitable. But...
Okay, I'm excited.
Our guide is Tim, a product expert who knows every detail of the process. Tim will walk us through 2 assembly lines, each one a symphony of engineering, teamwork, and precision. The first stop, the line for 20 to 25 foot light travel trailers. Here, aluminum frames rise from the floor like skeletons of future adventures. This aluminum construction is a key differentiator for the product line, lightweight yet durable. In strategic locations, wood is inserted inside the frame to provide added strength, ensuring the walls mount securely and stand the test of time. The walls themselves are built using a vacuum bonding process. Layers of material are pressed together under immense pressure, creating a sidewall that is solid, seamless, and long-lasting. Overhead, roofs are engineered to be strong enough to walk on, a testament to the durability built into every unit. Workers move with practiced rhythm, welding, fastening, and fitting each piece into place. There's laughter, camaraderie, and a sense of pride in every motion. These trailers are built light, yet strong, perfect for families who want comfort without compromise. But for us, the real story lies ahead. Tim leads us to the A-frame assembly line. This is where innovation meets tradition. At the start of the line, a bare steel frame rolls in, nothing more than raw potential. Step by step, it transforms. First, the axle is mounted, creating a rolling chassis. The frame is flipped, and a protective coating is applied to the underside of the floor, shielding it from moisture and road wear. A water tank is secured, then the floor itself is installed, forming the foundation of the living space.
We laminate and pre-build everything in our own lamination building. We have a building dedicated for all of our production plants. That's why you see all these walls. Those on that page here that are just blocked over in our lamination plant. In this process, we spray the glue on. It's all vacuum bonded. So there's some manufacturers that put their glue on and then pinch roll it, and it doesn't really give deep penetration into the foam. So when we spray it and then vacuum bond it in, it really draws down into the foam.
Wiring and plumbing are carefully routed throughout the chassis, laid out with precision to ensure reliability and ease of service. Sidewalls rise into place, fed by sub-assemblies nearby. These walls are engineered for strength and insulation, locking into the frame with exacting tolerances. Inside, craftsmen construct the living quarters, twin beds that convert into a king, a compact sink, a 2-burner stovetop, a dinette, and a toilet. Finally, the roof is installed, lifted by a new dual-arm mechanism. This design is stronger, smoother, and more dependable than the single-arm systems we've seen. Piece by piece, the A-frame evolves from raw materials into a fully realized camper. Compact, efficient, and ready for adventure. Over the years, Flagstaff has made some design improvements. A 2-burner stove replaces the bulkier 3-burner, better suited for real-world use. The absence of a microwave frees up valuable storage. And the dual lift arms ensure the roof rises with ease, adding reliability to every setup. For these changes aren't just technical, they're practical. we see a design that fits our lifestyle, our travels, and our vision for the future.
Yeah,
The first one did not have a hinge. That's a new innovation. I like that.
And then pull up the cassette. I like that a lot too. Okay, nice.
Okay. So that's very similar to what we had previously.
That's the flasher. Cool. Now that, like we said yesterday, we have more counter space over here.
Right. Previously, in the old one, there would have been a stove here, but now they moved it over here.
Okay, and is it a 3-burner or 2? 2-burner.
It's 2.
Good.
And that's perfect because we never used
all
one.
3.
Yeah, we
right.
used 3. The old one had a microwave here, and they've deleted that because we never used a microwave.
Right.
Makes sense.
Which gives us more drawers. Thank goodness. Those are nice. Yeah.
This is the camper that will carry us across Washington's parks, through forest and mountains, and into stories yet to be told. And now, for our audience, the surprise is revealed. The Happy Trails hiking adventures will continue in our brand new A-frame RV. With Tim and the Flagstaff team, we'll collaborate on upgrades in the years ahead, sharing feedback from the road. Our journey will be more than travel. It will be a partnership, a story of exploration, innovation, and discovery. And we'll be back where we belong, waking up in campgrounds near new trailheads, ready to lace up our boots and set out on the next adventure. From raw steel to rolling freedom, this is how an RV is made. And for us, it's how we return to the lifestyle we love.